So, hi Pooja ji, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fit and fine. And just tell me, how's your day going?
It's going as usual.
Okay, and what about your practice?
My practice is also going good. Every day I'm putting my erratic effort for learning.
Okay, so today, how much time did you do practice?
I There is a four part of my learning process. One is listening. Early in the morning, I whenever I'm doing something, so that time I used to do my listening practice. After that, reading practice. After that, speaking, and then eventually I write down something. That's over the practice.
So
Whole day that.
have you finished your household chores?
Yes, while doing all this practice, I do my household chores as well as practice. Both are at the same time.
Okay, so now just tell me, according to you, what do you mean by means, what is fluency and what is accuracy? Or I can say, what is the difference between accuracy and fluency, especially in English language?
According to my analysis, if you explain your thought and whatever the concern you are concerned, that if you express that, it means that you are fluent. And accuracy is very important. It's crucial that you have a lots of knowledge about the language, then you can talk at any topic. So that is
Yes.
accuracy. And fluency is you can if you are able to express your thought, that is fluency.
Yes, whatever you have mentioned, I'm agree. And if I talk about my opinions, so yes, fluency as well as accuracy both are integral part of becoming a good communicator. If we want to
Yes.
become a really a good English speaker, then we have to work on both. But if, in my opinion, fluency doesn't mean that the word the way the word is sounds like fluence. We mean by fluency is we have to speak so fast. No, fluency doesn't mean that. Fluency means by only if we are very comfortable, we are not putting so many efforts,
Yes.
and we are speaking softly, smoothly. We are not
Yes.
applying so many things, and we are not keep thinking in our mind. It means now we are fluent, and this is called fluency. And
Yes.
accuracy, yes. If we really want to elaborate things in a good way,
Yes.
we want to be good in grammar as well as in spoken. So we must go with the accuracy, and we need to
Yes.
work on our grammar part as well. Because without working on our grammar, we can't consider ourselves as a proficient and efficient in this language.
Yes, yes, you're absolutely right. I can relate this. At this time, I'm working on my fluency. Fluency is also like just you mentioned that it's not mean of you are speaking so fast. It means that you're fluent. No, if you are able to make the other person understand your thought, then you are fluent.
And we are supposed to avoid fillers a lot, because mostly people they use these kind of words. So
Yes.
when we work in our on our fluency, then we are working on avoiding these things from our
Yes.
communication.
Yes, but
Yes.
initial level, whenever we are starting, this phase comes. We are facing this
It's
problem
normal
initially.
as
It's not.
as a beginner, as a basic learner. These problems are normal, because we
Yes,
are here as a learner of a second language. It's not our
yes,
native language. Even
yes,
native speakers they
absolutely.
also use. Even the celebrities. Have you seen
Yes,
any interview of
yes, yes,
celebrities or cricketers?
yes.
How many times they use
Yeah, yes, yes. I
I mean
saw
to
many
say, I
times.
mean to say.
Yes, lots of actors and cricketers also using a filler word, but that is they are feeling that okay, they are thinking about that how to give the answer.
But
So
I
that
think
is
these This is a very good way to at least show others that you are thinking little bit. But
Yes, yes,
if we are as a basic learner, okay, and if we speak in a we are just trying to express our views, our thoughts in front of others, and we just get stuck, so we just stop.
yes, that's it.
We just
We
start
think,
thinking,
yes, we are thinking that now what the next? What the
and the
next
other
should I take?
person he easily
Yes,
gets that thing. Oh, definitely he's thinking in his mind. He,
yes, and he is stuck.
so that's
He
why
is stuck
using
here.
little bit fillers words it's important, but we should
Yes,
try to avoid these filler words.
avoid this. Yes, try to avoid this, and this will happen when you do your practice constantly. Consistency is very important. If you constantly work on it, then this filler word will be goes in your life forever, I think.
Yes, whatever you have said, it's really good and a
Yes,
genuine thing, I can say.
yes, because when I started, I was using lots of filler word, and I recorded my video, and I saw my husband. He said, "Oh, he says you, he says that
He
you are
said,
using." He
he
says,
said,
yes, he said that you are using lots of filler words, so please try to remove that. Then it will be looks like a it's a natural you're talking.
actually, at the very early stage of learning any language, any kind of skills, if we are making mistakes, then we should allow ourselves to make mistakes.
Yes,
Because just because of having this kind of mindset, अरे यार कहीं में से गलती ना हो जाए, कहीं में से गलती ना हो
yes,
जाए, यही हम
yes,
सोचते रह जाते हैं और हम पीछे रह जाते हैं.
yes. We always keep thinking that okay, stop. Yeah, we have to remove first. How we will remove? And one more thing, I it's stuck in my mind. Everyone say that don't use a sophisticated word. And in the beginning, whoever is learning English, all the words are sophisticated for them. Until we
Yes,
use it,
even do, does, did.
yes,
These
yes,
also seem sometimes it's very difficult for me
yes,
to use where to use did, where to use do, where to use does.
yes. Then I wanted to ask that if I don't use sophisticated word in my conversation, then it's not possible that I will be used to it and I will be able
Actually,
to use it.
the main reason because of which we are feeling this kind of agitation, because since our childhood, we have been speaking only our mother tongue, whether our mother tongue or our national language. So our mouth now it has become habitual to speak only Hindi language. So now
Yes,
we are trying to make our mouth to be habitual to English language as well as Hindi language. Because I know that how much we are here on this platform or we are just using or practicing our spoken English. Otherwise, at our home, we have to speak only our mother tongue or Hindi. So now we are
yes,
trying to make our mouth to speak both languages, Hindi or English. That's why sometimes we just get stuck and even we know that particular word, but when we pronounce it, then it sounds really very bad.
yes. Yes, you're absolutely right. And whenever I encounter some new words, I try to use it, but it's so difficult to inculcate in mind to use it regularly and try to add in your vocabulary. It's so difficult.
But I think slowly, when we keep working on this language, then everything seems to us it's really very easy. Because the time when I started my journey, at that time, I was not that much conscious about learning vocabs, and still I'm not that much conscious about learning words because I know that how much time I give to my this language, definitely I will learn a lot of things. So
Yes,
if I'm becoming conscious and I'm trying so hard, but I'm not able to use words or vocabs which I learn daily. So
yes,
sometimes we become anxious about this. Oh, I'm not
yes.
doing good. I'm not
Yes.
doing good, means the thing which is very important for me to become fluent
Yes.
in this language, I'm not getting anything. But
Yes.
eventually, gradually, definitely we will do. Because means earlier I used to listen only kids videos, or we can say cartoon videos or animated stories.
Yes.
But now I have started watching some. There's so many English content. Sometimes short
Yes.
movies. It just appeared on my screen, so I just
Yes.
go and watch that movie. So in this way, sometimes I watch some phrases and idioms that I have
Yes.
learned, I have listened, and they are also using in this particular situation. So now this is the time and this is a condition where I have to use this idiom or this phrase.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. That's why whenever I encounter some new words, I used to take only one word in a day, so I
Yes,
can
one word
describe
in
it.
a day, as well as along with that, you can choose one grammar rule or one advanced structure.
Yes, it's a very useful technique. I will try to use it.
Yes, and just like pick pick only one, any kind of advanced structure, just like कभी कभी कैसे हम बोल सकते हैं कि कोई चीजें हम कैसे बोलते हैं कि मैं बोलना चाहूंगी, आई वुड लाइक टू से, आई वुड लाइक
Yes.
टू हैव, आई वुड लाइक टू
Yes.
गो, मैं जो आई वुड लाइक, ये क्या है,
Yes.
ये एक
Like
एडवांस स्ट्रक्चर की तरह है.
advanced.
हाँ, इसको आपको यूज करना है. एंड समटाइम्स आई एम ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ बिकमिंग फ्लुएंट इन दिस लैंग्वेज. नाउ अब मैं इस इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में फ्लुएंट होने की कगार पर हूँ. ऑन द वर्ज
Yes.
ऑफ किसी कोई काम होने की कगार पर होना.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
नाउ
I
यू
can
आर ऑन द
understand.
वर्ज ऑफ गेटिंग दिस जॉब.
Words
मीन्स
of.
अब तुम,
Okay, you are getting words of.
हाँ, कि आप ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ, इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ मीन्स कि अभी आप फ्लुएंट होने की कगार पे हो, या अपने जो ड्रीम्स हैं, अपने सपने हैं, उसको पूरा करने की कगार पे हो, आप डॉक्टर बनने की कगार पर हो, कुछ भी, जहां पे हम हिंदी में कई बार ऐसे यूज करते हैं वर्ड्स.
Yes. Yeah. Lots of English sentence we cannot make with a tense, with
ट्रांसलेशन,
tense.
ट्रांसलेशन.
Translation we cannot make by translation, so that sentence will become so difficult. So it
कभी
means
कभी,
that you should try to learn as like a faces.
यस, कभी कभी हम जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं, हम शॉपिंग करने जाते हैं, वहां पे हम बोलते हैं, मीन्स हमारे साथ सपोज करो हमारे साथ बच्चे हैं, हमने कह दिया कि चल बेटा या तो ये ले ले या तो ये वाला ले ले. अब इसको हम कैसे बोलेंगे?
uh, either take this one Either
हाँ,
take this one or this,
और दैट वन,
that one,
ईदर और. इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? ईदर और.
or
हाँ,
if you use
नीदर नॉर.
neither,
तो बच्चा क्या कहेगा?
neither
नहीं
nor,
मम्मी, मैं ना तो ये वाला लूंगा ना तो वो वाला लूंगा. नीदर
neither I
नॉर,
will take this
नोर
nor
नोर
nor
नोर.
that one. Yes,
और
I
तब
am
माँ
working
क्या
on it.
कहेगी? उसके बाद माँ क्या कहेगी? तुम मीन्स कि तुम जिद्दी बच्चे ही नहीं बल्कि नासमझ भी हो.
You are
नॉट ओनली,
audible,
नॉट
not
ओनली,
only not only stubborn, as well as you
बट
are
आल्सो,
uh,
नॉट
but
ओनली
also
विथ बट आल्सो.
okay, you are not only adamant but also stubborn.
यस.
It's right.
ये जो एडवांस स्ट्रक्चर्स है ना, इसको हम एक दिन में एक ही आप देखो, और ज्यादा नहीं, 4-5 सेंटेंसेस बना लो और कंडीशन सोच लो माइंड में कि हाँ कैसे हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. तो जैसे मैंने अभी आपको एक कंडीशन बताया कि जिसमें आपने ईदर और भी यूज कर लिया, नीदर नॉर भी यूज कर लिया, नॉट ओनली बट आल्सो भी यूज कर लिया.
Yes, yes, definitely.
हाँ,
Yes.
तो
Thank you
इसी
very
तरह से
much.
आप इंग्लिश की कई चीजें लर्न कर सकते हो, क्योंकि हम लैंग्वेज यहाँ सीख रहे हैं. अगर हम इसको परफेक्ट पूरे ग्रामर लेके बैठे कि मैं पहले रूल लिखूंगा, फिर सब्जेक्ट क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, इसको लिखूंगा, तो ऐसा काम नहीं चलेगा ना.
It will become so difficult, and you will
यस,
not consist with that way. If you
Yes.
learn this way, you will feel that it's not going to every day. I'm not going to do this.
Yes. So now, Pooja ji, now we should wrap up this session because it's almost half an hour. So
It's very thank you so much. Your valuable advice and techniques and tips. I would like to use it